Hello guys, I'm gonna make a green food for chickens because they ate all where they live. You see the fence on the right? I'm gonna put it over the bed so that the chickens cannot go in and pick all the corns and wheat. Then we will wait and hopefully I will get free food. Move a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna put a little bit more. Okay, this is the final part. Okay, this is the final bed prepared to grow free chicken food. My chicken bed protector. Hopefully this is gonna work. We'll see.
Be an advanced YouTuber and subscribe.